Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today again we are here with another video after so long, and today we are going to create this amazing logo. So if you also want to create this, then keep watching our video till the end guys, because at the end you are going to see some more examples just like this. Okay, so now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, here we are in Canva interface, and first of all we are going to search here for logo. So we are writing here simply logo, and then we are going to select this. Okay, as you can see here we have so many already built-in logos present here. So you can select anyone if you want it, or simply you can select this create blank option for starting from scratch. Okay guys, after selecting this, we are moving to templates option to show you that what types of logo is provided by Canva. As you can see here, we have so many logos available already from Canva. So you can select anyone if you want, or simply if you want to start from scratch, then you can do that as well. So for today we are starting from scratch, and for that reason only we are changing the background color to black. Okay guys, after doing this we are moving to element section, and from here we are going to select something related to food, as we are creating a logo based for restaurant. So after selecting food, you can see we have so many elements related to food. You can select anyone according to your choice. So guys, we are going to select something from here. So I'm liking this element, so that's why I selected this. Okay, now changing its color to white as it was not visible in black background. Okay guys, now searching for some more elements. So I'm liking this element as well, and its name is Cloche Food. So I'm going to select this element and now going to change its color to orange. Okay, now changing its color to slightly dark orange, and now it's done. So we are going to delete this previous element from here, as we are going to start our logo building from this element. So we just aligned it at the middle of the page, and now we are going to make it slightly more darker. Okay, so it's done guys. After this, making it slightly bigger in size, and then going to adjust it at the middle of the page again. Okay, now moving to the text section, and from here we are going to add a text box. So we simply selected this text box. First of all, we are changing its text color to white as it is not visible. Okay, now after this we are going to change its name to Craving, our restaurant name. Okay, now after doing this we are going to change this font. So we are changing it to April Fat Face. You can select or change it according to your choice. Okay, now align it properly and it's done. Okay, after this guys, we are again going to select one more text box, and this time we are going to select this tiniest text box from here. And now after this, we are going to write in this the restaurant, to let people know that we are talking here about restaurant, not anything else. Okay, now changing its color to white, and now we are going to make it slightly bigger as it is not visible right now properly. So we are changing its font size to 16.4. Okay, now after this we are going to move to element section. And now from here we are moving to recently used section. From this section, we are going to select some of the elements for now. So we are going to select this strip, which is this watercolor brush stroke. So we are simply going to select it and going to tilt it little bit. Okay, so we tilted it like this way. And now finally we are going to fill that vacant place with the restaurant text. So we are aligning it properly, guys. Also guys, while we are doing this, our video is flashing in your eye button. So you can check out that video as well after watching this one to add more creativity to your graphic journey. Okay guys, so now it's done. Okay, so now again moving to recently used section. And from here we are going to select this element for now. And its name is Stream Cloud Illustration. So we're simply going to select this element and going to change its color to middle gray. Okay, so it's done guys. Finally we are going to minimize its size. And now we are going to fix it properly above this clutch. Also guys, as you know that we are publishing this video after so long, so that is because we were facing some issues. But from now we are going to continuously putting the videos. So please guys, stay tuned with us and keep supporting and giving your love guys. Okay, so for now giving the final touch, we are using this letter sleeve from here. Now simply we are going to decrease its size and going to place it just before the craving C. Just nudging it a little bit. And it's done. Okay, so now we are going to change the background color to green so that all the elements are visible properly, and we are going to group them all together. So we are just selecting all the elements and grouping them. Okay, so as it's done, so again changing the background color to black, and now we are going to do little bit more adjustments here. Also guys, if you're liking our video till now, then please hit the like button below our video and also subscribe our channel. Do hit the bell icon as well so that you get notified every time with the new stuff. Also guys, share this video with the one who needs it. Okay, so finally we are going to adjusting it in the page to download it. Okay guys, so it's ready to download. So we are downloading it in PNG format and in that too transparent background format. So it's downloaded guys, and here we have our final logo. So guys, what do you think about this? Let us know in the comment section below. Also guys, we have some more examples for you like this one. And like this one. So guys, what do you think about all these? Let us know in the comment section. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and got a value here. Okay guys, so now we will meet you in the next video. That's it for today. Till then, bye bye and take care of your lovely self.